Hello. 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 Where are we going to today?
We're going Lock City Drifts.
Stop.
Not
No.
playing. We're going to Final Bout.
We're going to Final Bout.
Yeah.
And we're taking the FCs out. We just went to one of them Puerto Rican meets.
Yeah.
It's actually
We're all
fire.
gonna hop in Nina's Camry.
Absolutely not.
Can we drift it?
Party on the Camry.
Party car.
Party on the Camry.
We got wannabe Tyler Creator here.
Who is that?
It's for my vlog. Alright, let's go. Yeah.
I say y'all change, hit the gas, and switch lanes, ayy. Smoking gas, the propane, dope fiends on some cocaine, ayy. Wipe your nose, block your nose, man, ayy. This all on my dick, watch her do this way, nigga want banana, fucking shit. Yeah, run out up on your clip, like what's up, you talking shit, hey. Don't you talk that shit, you know I'll pull up stupid quick, Where am I going? Where's my tooth?
We have arrived.
Yes, we have. So, like,
Sick cars.
So when are we gonna hijack the event here? Think it can
Never.
start up again.
Oh shit. Tom's car broke. Damn it. I didn't even get to see it in action. No way, don't say. That is sick. I love that. Let's see what else. IS300. Hell yeah. Super clean.
Oh yeah. Want to check out the main event?
Yeah.
I think right now they're just doing side events.
Sammy's car is there. Look, STI, do you miss it? Ooh,
Damn, rip my STI.
it's Cody. Cody! What's up? How's the car been? Hell yeah. I'm vlogging for the channel. What? How do we do this? Hell yeah.
Fucked it up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's doing good.
Hell yeah.
I wrapped my exhaust manifold. Oil got on it. The exhaust wrap lit on fire.
Ooh,
Other
shit.
than that,
You still having overfilling issues with a catch can? First place. Oh shit.
is this everyone from the group chat?
Not much. Out here.
We're awkward. Good.
Dude,
Ben, what'd you get?
Getting mad awkward. Alright. Filtered Pat.
Back, first of all, back up. I'm gonna go see.
I'm more about the IS. IS is beautiful. Hell yeah. R33 4-door. S13 coupe. What are those T's? Oh, it's right-hand drive. It's an actual Sylvia. Ooh, so look at the cutout. Interesting.
I've always wanted like that crimson red like color on a 240.
Freaking chill out. I'm here for the sob. This is Sob 9.5. I doubt it. Didn't they make all-wheel drive models?
I don't know. man. It's so fun.
Freezing like the fucking room.
Carry on. You got to carry on. Carry on.
Yeah, yeah. Look, hey. I'm light skinned and handsome, also taking these hoes for ransom. Cause I just party with them and pass them to the bros right after. Faster, yeah, shawty, yeah, I can do it that fast and slow. I'm a pro when it comes to these flows, yeah, my tongue is well. When it comes to how I'm eating, I like my steak medium well. Just a couple months ago, baby, I wasn't doing so well, but I got off my ass and started buzzing down them damn bills. Got me saying follow line in summertime, singing Christmas carols. It's for sure gonna be hard to understand it, baby, but just know it's happening for the best. Understand me, underdig me, it's the neighborhood kid that did. AKA child want a motherfucking bitch with this motherfucker. So I'ma need you to go ahead and shake that ass for a nigga, keep that shit playing, baby. Don't go over there and say it, baby. This hoe got mad at me when I said I couldn't be with her and smile. She hated my style, yeah, the reckless and wild lifestyle. So I had to get it the best way I knew how. I had to get it so my mom can finally get a house. I had to get the back so people can stop running their mouths. I had to get it cause my sister wanna fucking design. I had to get the watch so I can make you go blind. It's gonna sound focus on 9 talking figures, that is. I know the label's gonna sign a nigga, but it's not happening, y'all right there. Yeah.
Freezing like the fucking room.
Hey, I say
Was it fun?
It was really fun. Peter made me want to start drifting now. This sucks. I crashed my car. I blame you.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I will get into racing, whether it's road coursing or drifting, by next season.
Alright. I'm counting your words on
It's
it.
on video, it's documented. It's gonna happen.
And this is going on the internet.
This is going on the internet, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After I finish editing like 6 different videos.
Yeah. Eventually, hopefully it'll be on the internet. Eventually.
Yeah.